From studying nature to understanding the solar system, science is a part of our everyday lives. Science class can inspire and prepare students to pursue success in vital industries such as technology, healthcare, and engineering, and is integral to developing students' critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills. So, how are U.S. students doing in science today compared to previous years? The nation's report card provides national-level results for 8th graders across the country who took the National Assessment of Educational Progress, or NAEP, in January through March of 2024. Results find that the average 8th grade NAEP science score decreased by 4 points since 2019, the last time the science assessment was administered. Student achievement in science is now on par with the average science score in 2009. From the data, we see that since 2019, average scores declined in all 3 content areas: physical science, life science, and the earth and space sciences. The 2024 results show that 38% of 8th graders scored below NAEP Basic. This is the highest percentage of students not meeting this achievement level since 2011. What does this mean? This means, for example, that 38% of 8th graders likely do not know that plants need sunlight to grow and reproduce. Less than 1/3 of 8th graders scored at or above the NAEP Proficient achievement level. In 2019, more than a third, 35%, did. Students working at the NAEP Proficient level are likely able to interpret evidence from fossils to determine information about past environments. NAEP also shows how achievement gaps change over time. For example, the score gap between lower and higher performing students in science is larger than in prior years. While higher scoring students did see declines since 2019, declines were steeper for lower performing students, leading to a widening of that achievement gap. In fact, 2024 scores for lower performing students, those scoring at the 10th and 25th percentiles, are lower than all previous years going back to 2009. In addition, after no statistically significant gap between girls' and boys' performance on NAEP Science in 2019, this gap is significant again in 2024, with boys scoring 2 points higher than girls. During the assessment, students also participate in the survey, providing important context on learning. In 2024, students reported participating in inquiry-based scientific activities less frequently than past cohorts reported in 2019. And a declining percentage reported enjoying or being interested in science. These results may be disappointing, but they're not necessarily surprising when considered alongside other academic indicators. NAEP scores among 8th graders are down across all percentiles in reading, math, and science in 2024. Progress is possible, however. In previous years, we've seen greater percentages of students reaching the NAEP Proficient bar, and we've seen a narrowing of achievement gaps. That can happen again, and it can happen in science. Understanding the data is the first step needed to bring about positive change. For more information, visit nationsreportcard.gov.